Nailipat na kaninang alas 9 ng umaga si dating Bamban Tarlac, Alice Guo sa Pasig City Jail Women Detention. Bago magtungo sa Pasig City Jail, dinala muna si Guo sa PNP General Hospital at PNP Forensic Group para sa kanyang medical examination. Dito lumabas na may lung infection si Guo, kaya naman posibleng ihiwalay muna umano si Guo ng detention room nang sa ganon ay hindi mahawa ang kanyang mga kasama sa loob ng kulungan. Base kay PNP spokesperson Jane Fajardo, sa sinagawang medical exam nitong Biyernes, lumabas na clear naman umano lahat ng result ni Alice Guo. Posible umanong nag-develop ang infection nitong weekend.
The regional chief of NCRC ADG as well as Colonel Ustinera, the spokesperson for the Bureau of Jail Management Penology. We would just like to report that at around 9:33 a.m. this morning, we officially turn over Alice Guo to the custody of BJMP Pasig City. And as a matter of procedure, before turning her over to BJMP, she undergone the required medical and physical examination conducted by the PNP General Hospital and the Forensic Group. During the medical examination, the doctor found a probable infection sa kanyang left lungs. So, the PGMP, upon receiving the Alice Guo, will have now the disposition on how to treat this possible infection na meron po si Alice Guo.
Saan possible na kuha yun, ma'am?
Hindi natin po alam, but yung kanyang medical po last Friday cleared naman po. She was supposed to be transferred last Friday, but it was postponed because there are some legal procedure to be undertaken, particularly the service of warrant implemented by CIDG, and just this morning ay na-return na rin po yung warrant of arrest as a matter of procedure. So, based doon sa doktor po ng PNP General Hospital na probably from Friday and over the course of the weekend, baka nag-develop ng possible infection yung kanyang lungs. So, we declared it, yung mga doctors, and it will be the disposition now of the PGMP on how to treat this possible infection.
Ma'am, paano na-discover yung anong medical procedure na-discover?
In X-ray po, sa chest X-ray po, nakita po yung possible and suspected infection po sa kanyang left lungs po.
Hindi po siya visible, ma'am?
Yeah, mayroon siyang konting colds at kanina sa hospital parang nagbububo siya ng konti.
Iniinda siya bali, nagsabi po siya.
Wala naman. Ang sabi nung mga nag-inspect sa kanya, nag-examine sa kanya physically, externally, even the forensic group, wala namang nakitang any external indication na meron siyang iniinda. However, since the X-ray showed na there is a possible infection based on the X-ray examination conducted on her, so the doctors deem it necessary to put that in writing, and it will be now the BGMP who will determine what kind of treatment, if there will be any treatment at all, for purposes of treating the suspected infection.
So wala pong gamot na ibinigay sa kanya?
Wala pong binigay because I understand there should be test to be conducted just to determine and at least confirm yung initial result po ng examination po ng medical doctors po ng PNP Hospital. So it will be now po the BGMP, probably we could ask them what will be the next procedure upon accepting po yung si Alice Guo.
Samantala, sumuko naman ang mga umano'y dummy account incorporator ni Alice Guo sa Baofu at Hongsheng Gaming Technology sa Bamban, Tarlac. Ayon sa mga ito, binayaran sila ng 10,000 pesos para kung pumirma at maging incorporator ng kumpanya ni Alice Guo.
NBI ay nag-file ng qualified trafficking against Alice Guo and her cahoots. No? Well, Alice Guo is already nasa ating custody. But then, yung iba pang mga cohorts ay nawaran. The Pasig RTC issued 5 warrant of arrest, all for qualified trafficking. Okay? 7 of them sa mga cohorts ni Alice Guo ay voluntarily surrendered to my regional director of Central Luzon, si Attorney Carpeso. No? At 4 lang pala ang surrender. 5 ang surrender sa kanya at 2 naman ay dumating kahapon, surrender naman sa aking hepe ng sila ang composition ng task force Bamban, Alex Guo. Eto po sila ngayon, nag-voluntarily surrender at yung mga karamihan Chinese ang at large pa, pero hindi kami tumitigil ng paghahanap sa kanila. Yung aking task force, yung aking Central Luzon na commander ay hindi tumitigil sa paghahanap sa kanila. Okay, paano ba sumurrender, pare, Panyero?
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Mayroon tayong asset sir sa labas, kaibigan na yung hipi ng Tarlac District Office natin na nag-signify sir itong 5 personalidad na may kaso silang na-issue against human trafficking. Kaya nung Friday sir, yung 4 pumunta sa opisina natin sir sa Tarlac. Pumunta sa Tarlac yung 4 sir nung Friday. Tapos nung kahapon lang sir yung isa, si Jemeline Santos Cruz sir, yung presidente sir ng Songyuan, siyang presidente ng Pogo license sir.
Okay.
Sumurinder sir sa ating kahapon ng gabi sir, sa Central Luzon sir.
Okay. Yun namang 2 dumating kahapon sa ating anti-organized crime division.
Thank you, sir. Thursday, even before the warrants were actually received by the NBI, there were already surrender feelers sent to us by the IBP and certain contacts of the director himself. There was a manifestation that 2 of the accused are actually surrendering before the NBI. So, through arrangements made with also one of our divisions in Manila, dumating po kahapon yung 2 na dalawang officers po ng Sunyuan Corporation, yung kanilang treasurer, si Mr. Juan Miguel Alpaz, at saka si Roderick Paul Bernardo Bohante, the secretary. So immediately after they were brought to the NBI through one of the divisions here, we contacted and notified the director of the surrender of the 2 accused. Ganun po. Pinroses po ito ng ating members ng task force Bamban na coming from the OTCD, yung Organized International Crimes Division, complement po ng task force.
Apparently, sa investigation namin, kami nga nag-file ng kaso, sila ang mga incorporators. Yung lumalabas yung isang corporation na pag-aari ni Alice Guo, ang presidente ay si Jaimelin Salcedo Santos. Siya. Okay. Okay. Yung treasurer si si Juan Miguel Alpas, and si Roderick Paul Bernardo ang secretary. Yun naman pong Hongshen Incorporators, si Rita Sapno ang treasurer, president and CEO ay si Telma Laranan, at si walang posisyon na nakalagay kay Rowena Gonzalez Evangelista. Okay, so the warrant of arrest issued by the Pasig court as far as these accused are concerned will be returned to the Pasig court, and we will wait for the commitment order that will be issued by the Pasig court kung saan sila idadalin. Okay.
Without going into details, ano po ba yung naging participation para makasukan yun sa kaso?
Ayun nga, sila ang lumalabas na mga responsible dun sa Hongshen Incorporators at saka sa Sun Yuan Incorporators. Lahat ito ay mga masasabi natin na bogus corporation ni Alice Guo.
Sir, nakausap namin kasi yung ilan sa mga subject. Ang sinasabi nila na sila sila talaga kasama yung mga anak ng pinagpinagin ng mga pagkaligal. Hindi po ba lumalabas sa investigation?
Maaaring ganun nga, at yan ay dapat maipaliwanag nila sa hukuman. No? Kasi as far as our investigation is concerned, sila ang mga official nitong mga corporations na ito na aming inimbestigahan. So pagdating na nila sa court, sa hearing, doon nila sasabihin sa korte, bahala ang korte kung i-appreciate ang kanilang mga testimonies.
Ano nangyayari sa kanila?
We will wait for the commitment order of the court. I-return na namin ang warrant today, di ba, Panyero? We will return the warrant today as far as they are concerned, and we'll get the commitment order kung saan sila ikukulong. Ganun. Remember, the case is non-bailable. Non-bailable po ang case. Lahat sila may kaso na. Kaya nga may lumabas ng warrant.
Pero nag-establish po ba kung paano siya napasok dito sa kumpanya?
Ayun nga, siyempre lahat ng claim nila ngayon na voluntarily surrendered nga sila. Lahat ng claim nila nagamit lang sila. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung allegations na yun, justifications nila sa sarili nila, malalabas yan sa during trial.
Meron kayong tinitignan dito sa middle person o middle person dito para magkaroon sila ng link kay Alice Guo. Kasi kung totoo kung yung tindera lamang sa paano sila natin kay Alice Guo?
Meron tayong nakuhang ganun.
O isa na dyan sa mga yan ang tulad.
Pagsukan, hindi nga nila kilala si Mayor Guo, mga taga-Concepcion, Tarlac. Yung Concepcion, katabi lang ng banban niya.
Okay.
Noong 2019 daw, nag-apply sila ng lending. Malamang doon sila lang nakuha ang pangalan nila.